this is your leg extension and leg curl machine, and first I'll show you how to set it up for leg extension. So first you'll need to change it. Your different slots of where you can put it are here on the side. Recommend just staying with the closest to the middle 2 slots here for your leg extension. So you'll just lift this handle up and bring it all the way down. From here, your next adjustment will be the seat, bringing it forward and backward. To do that, it is this red handle here. You will just press it down, and then you can move this forward and backwards. It's just a little stiff. There we go. To find your correct seat position of how forward or backwards this needs to be, you'll want it when you are sitting here. Your knee should be in line with this silver circle here. That is your axis of rotation. Next adjustment is this pad down here. You'll just pull it out and it can go up and down like so. You'll adjust that so that this pad is covering this portion of your ankle. You don't want it on your laces or on your shin, just on your ankle. You'll slide in here. You bring this cushion down by pulling the handle on the end. Make sure it's snug on your thighs. Select your weight, hold on to your handles, and then just extending your legs up. And that's your leg extension. Leg curl machine. I'll show you how to set it up for your leg curl. First thing you want to do is move this handle so where you're at the sticker that says leg curl. I recommend staying with the innermost 2 spots for this one. You'll lift the handle up and just go to one of those. Next setting that you'll want to adjust is this seat, bringing it forward or backwards. To do that, it's just this red handle here. You'll press it and you can move it forward or backwards. To find your correct seat position here, you'll want it to be when you are sitting here. Your knee should be in line with this silver circle. This is your axis of rotation. Your next adjustment is this pad down here. It comes in and out by this handle on the end. Just pull it and you can move to whichever spot you need it. To find your position here, you want it to be on the back side of your ankle here, not down on your heel or up on your calf. Just snug here on the back. You'll put both feet on top. Bring this cushion down so it is snug on the top of your thighs. Holding onto the handles and just curling all the way back. You want to go all the way back where your knees form a 90-degree angle, and that's your leg curl.